Hola, we are in Bryan Head, Utah. We drove here a couple days ago, and my family is renting this gigantic log cabin, as you can see in the background. And we're just kind of using it as a base of operations. So instead of camping or staying in the truck or anything, we are staying in the cabin, and then we go out on day trips. There's a ton of stuff in this area.
Yes, we have, of course, Bryce and Zion. Within 90 minutes of us. 5 minutes from us is Cedar Breaks National Monument. And I think what else? I think that's it.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a gazillion roads for us to explore just to turn off. So
St. George.
St. George is like 90 minutes from us. Yeah, we're just, the world around us is just nothing but roads to explore. I'm thrilled.
In Bryan Head here, there's it's mostly a ski town, it seems. So we're like 5-minute walk from ski lifts, and they're just up and down the main road here. So
But it's empty, which is nice.
yes, we are in between seasons, it seems. It's too late for summer people, and it's too early for skiers. There's no snow yet. So here we are.
It's nice.
And we have the Dugans.
You say hi, Hannah?
There's Hannah. Where's Buddy? So we were on the 14. We saw a sign for lava fields, and we've been driving down this, I guess it's looks like a fire road. It's pretty well maintained, but we're out in the middle of nowhere, and it's absolutely beautiful.
Have a look. Play with it. I don't think she understands the game. Hi, buddy.
Good girl.
Hi, buddy.
Go get it. Good girl. Okay, so we went back up to the top of Bryan Head, the actual Bryan Head mountain, and we are coming down now. Gina decided she wanted to walk with the dogs, so she's up ahead. We're gonna catch up with her.
So we're off again today, and we keep seeing this sign for Yankee Meadows. So we're just turning, and we don't know what's in store, but we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. We took an off-road trail just to explore. Chad's down the road checking it out. I'm trying to see if we should carry on, but it is absolutely beautiful. What's the verdict?
I think we can do it.
Let's do it.
We took a left on I think 395, followed it all the way to the end here. We made it to some private property, and that's kind of the end of it. But it is pretty. We're just gonna hang out here for a little bit, eat, drink, and let the dogs run around. Get back on the road.